In today's video, I'm going to discuss the best trading setup for today and the inherent trading opportunities in Forex market. This is Manan here from Short Forex and I'm trading for last 10 years, and this short video is prepared for education purpose only. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades and the money is secondary. You can see in my screen I use tradingview.com and I'm a premium member here, and I strongly believe that this is the best website for technical analysis and the charting. You can also see on the right hand side I have my watch list, and you can see all the pairs which I trade the most. It has currency, commodities and index. You can also see on my screen that on my left hand side I have daily chart, and on my right hand side I have weekly chart, and I don't trade on low time frame to avoid any false signal. So let's explore where we have opportunities for today to place our trades. My first pair here is AUD JPY, and you can see in daily time frame it was continuously making higher high and higher low, and right now it has reached to a key level which is a strong resistance, and I'm expecting a price reversal from 76.3 at that price zone, and I have already given a signal in my premium group. And in weekly chart you can see price is at overbought zone for stochastic. Even in RSI also you will find the same, and also price has reached to a key level, so it's very good opportunity to short this trade right now. The second pair which I have today is CHF JPY. You can see it has a very strong uptrend. It was continuously making higher high and higher low. In short term I would say opportunity to go for a long, and going with trend is always best because trend is your best friend. But here again I can see a strong opportunity to short the trade at key level, which is 117.75. Let me zoom out for weekly chart. You can see it has a very key level at a price of 117.75. So if we see there is any price rejection, any pin bar, we can expect a double top, then we can go for a short. Even if you can see here in weekly chart price is at overbought zone even in daily chart also. So let's wait for some time before we short this trade. Another pair where we have some opportunity today, which is USD CNH, which is nothing but Chinese yuan, and you can clearly see here in weekly chart that price is range bound. It's moving within support and resistance zone, and currently you can see the price around 6.93, where I strongly believe we can go for a long. And you can even see in stochastic that price has a oversold in oversold zone, and even in daily time frame also. So there is a strong opportunity to go for a long in this trade. And moving on to next, which is AUD SGD, which I have already given trades many times last 2 weeks, and you can clearly see here price has a strong uptrend and now it's under in a consolidation, and I'm expecting for price to go up 0.9898 around that, and it will be again a good opportunity to short. If we see in weekly chart, you can clearly see here rejection pin bar. So it clearly reflects that price has rejected many times, almost last 3 weeks, to go above the key level, which is 9898. So if price comes again to that price level, we have opportunity to short. Even if we short now, it is a less risky. And coming back to next pair, which is CHF SGD, this is also we have traded last 2 weeks, and you can see a double top here and price rejection in weekly time frame, and there are more likely that price will fall further. GBP JPY, I was expecting price to reverse from here, but now it look more risky after a breakout at key level in weekly chart. So I would avoid this pair for the time being. And the next one we have here is S&P 500, which is also called US 500, and we have recommended to short this pair because we can clearly see it's very conspicuous here that the price is at key level in weekly chart, and there's a good opportunity to short right now. Even if you can see clearly in daily and weekly time frame that price is at overbought zone. And also, if we really talk about the ground reality of all the economy, even the US economy, with after the impact, after the negative impact of COVID-19, most likely share market is are going to crash, but it's just matter of time. And US 2000, I again expect a good opportunity to short this pair, and but still we need to wait for some more time for price to reach at a key level, which is 1696 here, and you can also clearly see here price is at overbought zone in both daily and weekly time frame. And my last pair for today's discussion is AUD and JD, and you can clearly see here that price has broken the resistance in weekly chart, so it look more risky, to be honest, as of now, to really go for a short, although I have given a trade for this. So my target would be closing this trade at entry, and I would prefer to short this trade again when the price reaches to a next level of resistance, which is 1.972, around that price. So this is what I have today for everyone, and I wish good luck for your trading. Thanks.